everyone, Elias Nilsson here, and today we'll be opening up this package. And also I hope you had a great day. Sorry for the inconsistent uploads, but I finally have a full-time job that doesn't make me quit at 1 in the morning. So, let's start. But first off, we need to here we go. Look at her. I mean, you can't see that much, but yeah, she's looking pretty good actually. Fidoli Paladula. It's big-headed ants, you know? Big-headed ants, isn't that awesome? So I bought myself one queen of big-headed ants. As you can see, this colony is getting rather big. A couple of workers. The queen is doing fine. I've gave them some chicken. This colony are bigger ants, as you can see. They're also doing fine. They're really active. Here we have some more small Lasius ants, more Lasius. I have no idea what kind of ants these queens are. What species these two queens are. And then we have this. In this there's a colony. In this container there's a colony. Actually, I'm just gonna place the queen first. I thought the queen was supposed to be over here, but it's right here. Maybe it doesn't like the moisture from I actually have no idea, but it's gonna be hard to feed. Oh well, we'll find out a way soon. Anyway, I'm gonna show you this ant setup. As you can see, there's a little dirt here, and if you zoom in you can see the ant queen and her brood. It looks so nice. See, there's like, you know, dirt, and this is the water supply, and she hides right here with her eggs. It looks good. So yeah, and I also have an experimental colony in this. If you look here, yeah, if you look right there, you can see all the eggs up against all that white, see, now they're moving it. Yeah, you can't see the ants really good because it's dark, but yeah, there's a colony there, so I'm just gonna put them back and not disturb them too much. So yeah, that's the progress of the ants. Thank you for watching, guys. And if you like this video, please subscribe, comment, share it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!